already, right? Okay, exists already we discussed, right? What is the meaning of this one? Whether a particular field exists or not, whether a particular field is available or not. So I want to get all the documents where age field exists. I want to get all documents where number of reviews field exists. Okay, like sir, have you observed? Select all documents which contain number of required, so number of reviews field. Sir, select all documents which doesn't contain number of reviews field. So number of reviews exists is the true such type of document only I want. Number of reviews exists is the false such type of document only I required. Because so this MongoDB is no schema database. MongoDB itself is no schema database. That's why we have this type of requirement. Compulsory we should have this terminology, right? Okay, well, sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss is dollar type operator, right? Okay, second one. Second one, sir, here dollar type operator, right? Okay, second, dollar type operator, right? Okay, here what is the purpose of this one, sir? Very important. Array, now I told whether a particular element exists or not. For that we use this one. Have you observed? Element query operators. Okay, like if element exists, the value of this element is of a particular type or not. Array is of int type, is of long type, or is of double type. I want to know if you want such type of cases, then we require to go for dollar type. Have you observed, right? What is the difference between these two things? Can you please confirm what is the difference between these two things? Have you observed, right? What is the difference between these two things? Observe carefully, right? Okay, array whether a particular field exists or not. Okay, this is the first one. But second one here is the particular field exists, but is the value of this field is a particular type or not? That's why. So these just these two things always talks about element level. That's why this type of thing is by default considered as element query operators. Why the word element query operators? Because these operators talks about element, a particular element in the document, right? Okay, well, so dollar type operation, right? What is the purpose of this one? Okay, here just very simple, sir. Very simple. Dollar type, okay, selects dollar type operator. Dollar type operator selects the documents, where the value of the field, where the value of the field is a particular type or not. Correct, right? Where the value of the field is of a particular type or not, is of a particular type or not. particular type or not, whether, so where particular type. So just here the dollar type operator selects the documents where the value of the field is of a particular type, is of a particular type. Next, this type is which types are we have to specify? We have to specify the type. We have to specify the type. Yes, bson type. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. How you can specify, sir? Bson type, binary json, right? Bson type, the type should be specified as bson type. Sir, have you remembered json and bson? What is the advantage of bson? Anyone, can you please tell why MongoDB prefers bson to store its data instead of JSON? There are two reasons I told. Less memory, memory wise it's efficient. Second one, it has extra types. Have you remembered, right? It has some extra types. That's why more types are available where in the bson. That's why compulsory here the type we have to specify here the bson type. Okay, like sir, next where this type of operator is very helpful if you are going to handle large volumes of unstructured data. unstructured data like array. So sometimes do you know your profile info, assume that profile info field is there, sir. Some people may provide image, some people may provide video, some people may provide string something like so in the unstructured data we can't expect which type of thing. That's why, boss, I want a data, that data should be of a particular type, then only such type of data only I require. If you are going to handle unstructured data, yes, this type of thing is very very helpful, friends. Okay, remember a bit very carefully, right? So this operator is very helpful. This operator is very helpful, very very helpful whenever we are dealing with the whenever we are dealing with the unstructured data where types are unpredictable, where types are predictable. Okay, like so we can't expect the type exactly. If you have such type of requirement, happily we can go for which concepts are okay. This dollar type operator is going to be helpful. Clear for you people, right? Of course I will explain with an example what is the purpose of dollar type. You should have clear clarity, right? Okay, sir, what is the syntax for this? What is the syntax? How you can use this syntax, right? Very very simple, sir. Very simple. Here just observe that array. You are talking about which field? Now observe this. You are talking about which field? Okay, now here just observe that. Okay, which operator we are using? Dollar type. Okay, dollar type. You have to check, you have to collect which type of data. Okay, here bson type we have to specify. Okay, bson type you require to specify here. So it selects all documents, it selects all document where okay, so where the value of the specified field is of given type. Remember this one is of given type, the name itself indicates, right? The name itself indicates, right? Yes, yes. Okay, like some people may ask, sir, example, if you consider, if sorry if you consider example, sir. Now here just observe carefully, observe carefully, right? Here you have to specify bsn type. Okay, now I'm trying to take int, you can specify, no problem at all. Int you can specify, no issue at all. String you can specify, no problem, right? String you can specify, itself is acceptable. Are you in the position to understand? Array, a particular field is available or not? This, the value of this field is of int type, the value of this field is of string type, like you can specify. Here how many types we specified here? Can you please confirm how many types we specified here? Anyone? Okay, only one type, sir. Is it possible to specify multiple types or not? Yeah, yes, we can specify, we can specify, no problem at all, sir. Here you can use the word, this is the syntax one to query single type. Okay, querying for a single type. Okay, querying querying for a single type, for a single type, because I'm trying to query for a single type, right? Okay, syntax 2 I'm considering, syntax 2 I'm trying to consider querying for multiple types, querying for multiple types, like I'm trying to take, sir. Sir, now here just observe very carefully, sir, how you can specify. Okay, here one small thing you have to aware, how to specify bsn type. Okay, how you can specify bsn type, bsn type. It's very very simple, sir. This bsn type, this bsn type we can specify, it is the alias, it is the alias, sir. Alias of bsn type, or even numeric number also we can specify. So string numeric number 2, string numeric number 2 like here. Okay, we can specify, we can specify or we can specify either number or alias for the bsn type. Boolean type. Remember this one. We can specify either number or alias for the Boolean type. Remember a bit carefully, right? Okay, well. So now syntax 2, querying for multiple types. Querying for multiple types. How you can do that? Okay, like very simple, sir. Don't worry. The same syntax only. The same syntax only. Number what it written and how it will search. Yeah, Vidya. We'll discuss. Sir, what about this number? We will discuss. Don't worry at all. Okay. Sir, dot dollar field here. Earlier we specified only one type. Only one type. Only one type. But now we can specify multiple types. That's why here within array, inside array. Okay. Now BSN type 1. BSN type 1. Like I'm taking, sir. Comma. Okay. BSN type 2, comma, BSN type 3. Like in the array, any number of types you can specify, no problem at all. Are you in the position to understand, right? So multiple types, what is the syntax? Array, I want to get all the document where the value of this field is either int type or string type, or either int type or string type or double type. Okay, like you can ask this type of thing is by default considered as okay dollar type operator. Are you getting basic theoretical idea? Okay, so what about alias? What about this number? Just within a minute, you will come to know clearly. Don't worry, sir. Just as of now, just aware. Okay, like now here, what I'm trying to take is just observe a bit carefully, right? A small table. I want to talk here. What about my type is okay, sir. Boolean type. Now observe that Boolean type. I'm taking Boolean type. I'm trying to take. Next, Boolean type I'm trying to take. Next, number, sir. Number. Here, just observe that. Okay. Here, Boolean type, number, sir. So, every Boolean type, there is a number, unique number is going to be represented. Alias name. Alias for that. Okay. Like this is about my requirement, right? Okay. Just observe carefully, right? I hope you can understand this table, sir. Okay. Now, here, just observe that the first Boolean type. The Boolean type itself is assume that double. Okay, Boolean type itself is double, sir. Double. Its equivalent number is 1. So here, what is the alias name is double. Alias name is the double. Have you observed, right? Array original Boolean type is the double, sir. For this double, yeah, every Boolean type is associated with a numeric number. The equivalent number is 1, and here alias name is the double. Okay, now I hope here what thing we have to specify, either number you can use or alias name you can specify. Okay, if it is the double, it is the one. Now I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? Sir, what about remaining things, sir? What about remaining things, sir? Now here, second, assume the string, sir. BSN type is the string. What about its number is 2, sir. 2. Now here, alias name for that is a string. Alias name for that is the string. Now the third one, sir. All these things are available in the API document. I mean documentation. You are not required to worry at all, sir. It is the object type. Object type means something like map. Its number is the 3. Okay, here you require to specify object. Okay, the value of the field is JavaScript object or not. How you can specify? Okay, 3. We require to check for the 3. Next, it may be array. So it may be array. Its value is 4, sir. Array means 4. What thing I require to check, sir? Array, like we require to check. Okay, like next, binary data. Binary data, something like images, something like images, this kind of thing. Binary data. What about its values, sir? 5. Okay, here bin data we have to specify. What is that? Bin data we require to specify. Alias names are bin data we have to specify. Next, do you know here just object id? Yes, object id is the Boolean type. Somewhere we covered already this one, right? Anyone, can you please confirm? Somewhere we covered already this one. Somewhere we covered already this one, sir. 7. Okay, like, sir, here object ID we have to specify. Object ID we require to use alias name. Next, here you may ask, what about 6? Sir, 6 either deprecated or not commonly used. That's why don't worry, sir. Even all these things, can I require to remember or not? No, you are not required to remember. Better to use these alias names very easily. Numbers you are not required to remember. Okay, numbers you are not required to remember, right? Okay, well, next, is these numbers are fixed or not? Yes, numbers are always fixed. Remember, numbers are always fixed, sir. Okay, now the next one, boolean. Okay, boolean, sir. Okay, for the boolean, what is the number for that is 8. Boolean number 8. Okay, here just take very special case, sir. What is the equivalent alias name is the bool, short name, sir. Short name bool, sir. All these are case sensitive. Case sensitive, yes. Swarit Goel, case sensitive. Next, boolean. Next, date here, date. So here 9, sir. Date 9. Yes, you can specify date. Okay, like, yeah. Next, date type. Next, null, sir. Null I'm trying to take. Okay, now here for the null, what is the value we have is 10. 10. Sir, here null value, something like in Python, none we are using. In Java, none, null is already there, sir. Null. Next, here just observe that 32-bit integer. 32-bit integer in C language we have this type of style. 32-bit integer, what about its value is 16. What is this alias name is int. Remember carefully, right? What is the alias name for 32-bit integer, sir? Int. Next, 64-bit integer. 64-bit integer. 64-bit integer, its alias name is a number, numeric number is 18. Yes, it is long. Remember this one. Long. Okay, like, next, sir, decimal 128. It's also BS Bison type. Decimal 128. Decimal 128. Its a number is a 19. Its a number itself is a 19. Yes, what is the value for the decimal? Okay, like, yes, can you please observe, there are multiple things are available, right? Okay, so all these things, but anyway, sir, this is just a commonly used, right? Yes, if you want, just what you can do is, okay, let me open MongoDB. Okay, here docs we require to go for. Okay, docs database. Next, and after that, references operators, yes, query and projection operators. In the element query operators we are talking, yes, edges and then dollar type we are talking about, dollar type. Okay, here just observe very carefully, sir. What is the syntax? Yes, most of the times this documentation is really very helpful to understand the subject. Remember carefully, right? Okay, sir, here just observe a bit carefully. Yes, are you seeing, right? Are you seeing alias name, alias name, like, type, number, alias name? Yes, this table only whatever I dictated there. Are you getting? Max key, min key, some more are there. These are table only I dictated. That's why don't worry at all. Everything is available in the documentation. You are not required to remember, but the concept, the concept you have to aware. Okay, double string, at least the commonly used types you require to aware. That's about my main intention, right? Okay, well, sir, now observe that here double is already there, decimal is also there. It is also one bigger doubt, sir. What is the difference between double and decimal? Okay, sir, anyone, can you please tell what is the difference? Because I got this doubt. What is the difference between int and long? Int and long, sir, both are integers only. Both are integers only, right? Okay, what is the difference between these two things? Okay, what is the difference here? Int is of 32 bits, 32 bits. Long is a 64 bits. Long is a 64 bits. Bigger values, bigger values. Then automatically we require to go for, okay, 64 bits like, okay, int and long is both are int values only, but only difference is here bigger values, here smaller values, here bigger values, here smaller values. Please make sure, sir, this is what you should aware. Next, question number 2. Okay, what is the difference between double and a decimal? Have you observed what is the difference between double and a decimal? Double and a decimal, like, maybe a chance. Maybe some people may have the doubt. Sir, here also double and a decimal, double and a decimal. What is the difference between these things, right? Sir, double is 64 bits. Double is a 64 bits floating point value. Floating point value. 32 bits integer value. Okay, 64 bits integer value. Okay, like, here next, decimal is 128 bits. 128 bits floating point value. Okay, don't worry, 128 bits floating point value. Have you observed, right? Decimal 128. Okay, like, so sir, what is the difference between double and decimal or int and long? But all these things are numbers only at the end, remember, because while referring I got bigger doubt. Array, what is the difference between double and decimal? Like, yes sir, this is the difference. In most of programming languages it is already there. Yes. Okay, next, here more precision you can expect here, but here less precision you can expect. Okay, like, now the next, here just to take a bit special care, very important, sir. So dollar supports, okay, dollar type supports, this is also very important, sir. What is this one? Dollar type supports, okay, supports number alias. Remember this one. What is this one? Number alias, number alias, which will match, the following bits and types. Again, sometimes what will happen, array, whether it is a double or decimal or int or long, so I want all numbers, I want all numbers like, then which alias we require to use is number alias. You can use number alias, match all these things, right? Okay, which will match the following bsn types, the following bsn types, the following bsn types like this, right? So which types it is going to be? Int is going to be covered. Okay, sir, can I use the word 32 bit int, 64 bit int, or otherwise int, long, double and decimal? Okay, all these things, any of these type, no problem, right? If it is a number, that thing is enough for me. Then automatically which alias we require to use? Number alias we require to use. Clear for you people? Respond. Are you getting right? Number, what is the meaning of number? Like, sir, maybe a chance to have this type of thing, but especially this concept is going to be very helpful whenever we are dealing with the large volumes of unstructured data, large volumes of unstructured data where types are unpredictable. Okay, like, sir, theoretical, okay, can you please give an example so that we can feel more comfortable, like you people may ask the question. Okay, now example example 1. Okay, here case study, let me take case study or examples like, okay, here just observe that I want to create my own, okay, collection. I want to create my own collection. Okay, db dot sir, phone book collection I'm trying to create. Phone book, phone book dot insert. I'm trying to insert one or insert many or insert simply, you can use, no problem, right? Okay, how to insert already we know. So phone book, usually in the phone book, name and a number will be there, correct, right? In the phone book, name and a number will be there. Okay, here I'm trying to take name is okay, some name Sunny. Name is the Sunny. Next, phone number. Okay, name is the Sunny. Next, phone number. Phone number. Okay, now I'm trying to take is yes, observe carefully because different types of data I want to handle. Okay, like sir, now phone number is a which type I consider? Can you please confirm? Array string type. Have you remembered string type? Next, I don't want to give the chance okay, to generate generate own object id, lengthy object id. That's why id is the one like I can take. Yeah, is it acceptable, right? Is it acceptable? Now object id is a one is going to be considered. It never going to consider automated default object id because I'm not going to use. That's why let me take this one, sir. Okay, well, sir, now like here let me take some 4 or 5 5 records I'm taking, sir. Sir, Sunny, Bunny, next, and after that Chinny, okay, Winnie, and then Pinny. Okay, like these people phone numbers I'm trying to take. ID 1, ID 2, ID 3. ID should not be unique, should not be duplicated. Okay, unique numbers are there. Sir, phone number like I'm trying to take first one, sir. Second one here, just observe that. Second one what I'm trying to take. So 8896 8896 979797, like I'm trying to take. Next, Chinny phone number. Okay, here just observe that, sir. How you can insert? 1 minute, 1 minute. Here there is one small knowledge. I mean, this point you compulsory you people should aware, sir. Sir, here if I specify like this, if I specify phone number, if I specify within quotes, now it is treated as what type? Can you please confirm? It is treated as what type? String type. Don't worry at all, it is the string type. Now if I consider like this, if I consider like this, okay, like this, now it is considered as what type? It is considered as what type? Respond. It is considered as the what type? 8896979797. Okay, remember that. In MongoDB, by default, every number is treated as a double type. Remember this. Most of the people are going to feel yes, it is the int type, it is the int type or long type because decimal point is not there. By default, whatever number you are providing is always by default treated as double type. Okay, remember this a bit very carefully, sir. So every number is by default treated as a double type in MongoDB. Okay, in MongoDB. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like now, so I want to consider int type value. I want to consider int type value. How you can specify? Long type value. How you can specify? By default, it's the double. You are telling, sir. Int type, long type value. How you can specify? Okay. If you want to specify it is the long type, long type, we have to specify number long. Remember this one. Okay, bson type you have to provide bson type number long. Okay, now I'm trying to take is sir, can you just let me take some number, some number, sir. Okay, any number, can you please tell? Any number. Okay, 9898989898, like this I'm taking, sir. So it is treated as long type. Observe very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, long type, right? Okay, next, I want to consider number int type. Okay, number int type, the same story, sir. Number int type 9246212143, something like I specified. It is the int type, right? Next, sir, I want to here just let me take an array also, because I have multiple numbers are available, sir. An array also. Here I'm trying to take 8885 25 26 27 comma. Okay, Here I'm trying to take 8096969696 like I'm trying to take. Yeah. So now take very special case, sir. Please confirm it is what type? It is what type? Respond. It is what type? Stringer type. It is what type? It is what type? Respond. It is what type? Double type. Double type. So it is what type? Number long type. Number long data type. It is number int type. Number int type. Here string type it is the array where string type and then string type and then even double type is also there. Boss, it is the double type. It is the double type. Don't consider it is the int type. It is the double type. Remember that a bit carefully, right? Okay, well. Sir, now let me insert this one into my database. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. All these things I want to insert. Okay. So maybe here Mongo, like I'm trying to take. Yes, connection fail. Maybe server stopped. Okay. Server is not ready. If the server is not in running state, then shell can't work. Remember this one. Okay. Now, 1 minute. What happened? Mhm. Something happened. Yeah, perfect. Here just observe that. Okay. Show databases, show DBs, show DBs. Okay, like I'm taking. So use store DB because that is the thing what I'm always using. So here show collections, okay, like yeah, phone book and students already there. What I want to take is, let me drop this phone book already there, just for my practice I included already, right? Okay, db dot phone book dot drop. I'm trying to take. Okay, now here show collections, only two things are there, sir. Here, because of this one, can you please confirm, because of this phone book collection will be created or not? Please confirm. Ray, respond. If I can take like this, phone book collection will be created dynamically or not? Yes. Whenever you are trying to insert documents, automatically will be created. Automatically will be created. Have you observed, right? First one acknowledged true. Insert ID 1, insert ID 2, insert ID 3, insert ID 4, insert ID 5. Okay, like yes. Now here just db dot, okay, phone book dot, okay, dot find dot pretty. Okay, let me take whether all the 5 records are available or not. Yes, observe carefully, right? Yes, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and even fifth one also. It is all the 5 records are there. Okay, well, now my question is, okay, here just observe that, sir. So 1 minute, just for documentation sake, let me take number long. Yes, this is what type? Long type. This is long type, sir. Here this is what types are int type. This is what type? Int type. Okay, like int type, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, so now here just take very special care about this terminology. Every number is by default treated as a double type in MongoDB. Sir, here query one, select all documents where the value of the phone number is of string type. Okay, select all documents where phone number value phone number value is of string type. Okay, this is my requirement, right? Anyone, can you please guide how you can write the query, sir? db dot phone book dot db dot phone book dot find db dot phone book dot find. Okay, now here just observe carefully, right? Okay, which field you are talking about? Which field, sir? Phone number field. Okay, phone number field. You have to talk about which type, sir? Which type? Dollar type. I have to talk about string type. Have you observed, right? I require to talk about string type. Remember this one. So even this bson type, you can specify, you can specify numeric number also. For the string, what is the numeric number? 2, sir. For the string, what is the numeric number? 2. Like now here dot pretty. Let me take. Okay, now instead of here 2 also we can specify. Okay, now what is the meaning? What is the meaning of these 2? I hope now you can understand what is the alias name or what is the number. Like now you are getting clearly, right? Let me cross check, sir. How many records where phone number value is of string type? Remember, have a look once about this terminology, right? Okay, let me execute this one. Let me execute this. Yes, sir. Here, am I doing any mistake? Can you please consider? Yes, friends. Any curly brace is missing or something like? Perfect. Phone book, right? Yeah. This is the phone book, small. Okay, like this is the problem. Phone book, phone book. Okay, my collection name I used as the different. Okay, now here see this one. Okay, like now observe. Now have a look once. How many records came? 2 records came. 2 records came. Sir, here first record. This is the first record. Yes, sir, this one is the second record. Why the first record came? Phone number field is the string type. Yes, phone number field is the string type. Why the second one came? Because phone number here string type is there. Have you observed? Phone number is the string type is there. That's why. Clear, right? Okay. Now instead of that, let me take with 2, sir. Let me take with 2 here. Like now here observe that if I can take like this, what the answer by default we are going to get is the same answer only. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. Okay. Now can you please select all documents? All documents. Okay. Select all documents. Sir, is where phone number is of double type. Okay. Select all documents where phone number is of double type. Double type. Okay, like so can you please anyone, can you please guide what I have to take? Double, or for the double, what is the numeric values are? 1. Have you remembered? Double, what is the numeric values are? 1. Yeah, according to double numeric value 1. So that's why either first query or second query, happily it is going to work out. Now here see this. Observe the double. Yeah. Now again 2 things came. Again 2 things came. Sir, why the first one selected, sir? Have you observed? It is every number by the default is of double type. Every number is by default is of double type in MongoDB. That's why. Next, here also this number is of double type. This number is of double type. Okay, like sir, similarly, instead of this number one I'm trying to use, right? Now observe that one I'm trying to use. Sir, have you observed, right? This is same. This one is going to come in the picture. Yes. Are you feeling comfortable? How you can use type? More flexibility what we have. Remember carefully, right? Okay, well, sir, now what is the next thing I have to talk? Dollar type is the string and a double, like we covered. Suppose if I'm asking about, if I'm asking about dollar type number I'm talking, or otherwise just copy paste only, I don't think, sir, whether all the things are working properly or not. I want to check. Dollar type double type int type I'm taking, sir. Here I can take int. What is the number? Int what is the number? Int 16 long 18. Remember this one, int 16 long 18. Okay, int 16. Okay, like, okay, just observe carefully. Am I going to get int type or not? Okay, here just have a look once. Sir, only one thing, 6562775551 is the int type as per our insertion records. Okay. What is the number for this? 4. Number 4 is the number int. Correct, right? Number 4 is the number int. Okay, remember that. Yes, perfectly. It's working. There is no problem at all. If I consider, if I consider number 16, is it the same result am I going to get or not? Okay, like now observe that number 16, yes, sir. So ID number 4, only one record is going to be there. Okay, like perfect. Now, sir, here just observe that carefully, right? Okay, number long, same story, nothing will be there. Whether our queries are working or not, I'm trying to take. Beyond that, nothing, sir. So number long type. Here long you can specify, long we can specify, and then here 18 we can specify. Okay, here 18. Now observe that. Yes, here number long. Have you observed, right? Number long, only one record we are to get. Or otherwise, even if I can select with 8, yes, observe carefully, right? It is what type I'm trying to get, sir. Yes, sir. Number check. Okay, 1 minute, sir. I want to check whether number type or not. Okay, number type or not. Sir. What is the number? Sir, here select all documents where the phone number value is of number type. Number type. Okay, here number special alias is there. Okay, here special alias is there, like a number. Can I? Anyone having the doubt? Can you please confirm? Am I doing any mistake? Yes, friends. Int one, what mistake I did? Please cross check phone number value. Okay, phone number value 551. 551 from where it's coming? We are not having anywhere 551, right? We are not having any. It is perfect, but in the case, from where it's coming, conversion is happening. Is it internally some conversion is happening? Okay, 1 minute. Capital I don't think over there. It should be in 1 minute. We will check. Yeah, ID number 4. ID number 4, number int, but here this is the number, right? This is the number what we have. This is the number int. It is the number we have. Winnie is the same, but the value is something like a different value we are getting. Okay, 65627751 means so maybe this number int is treated as it is normal number only. But why it is coming? Is it going to convert into hexadecimal form? Is it going to convert into hexadecimal form? Nine two four six two one 43 modulo why it is going 9246212143. Where is the remainder operator? Remainder operator means percentage only, right? Mhm. Not working. No. 1 minute, I'm checking from my mobile. 1 minute, 1 minute. Why? Maybe there is some conversion is happening. Okay, some conversion is happening. Okay, it seems so. This is hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number to int I want to convert. Assume that I want to convert to decimal. I want to convert to decimal. Okay, n is equal to 0x 9246212143. It is the exact no. It is the decimal number. Decimal to hex I want to convert. 9246212143. It is not hexadecimal also. It is not hexadecimal also. Okay, it's not converting hexadecimal to yeah. It is not converting hexadecimal to like no. It is not because the number we are getting as from where this 551 is coming. Maybe some internally some conversion is happening. Dollar type int. Okay, well. So let me cross check. Is my yeah. Have you observed, right? Yes, friends. It is the same. Record available, but with the same. With this one only. Internally, maybe in the case of number int, some conversion is happening. Internally, in the case of number int, some conversion is happening. Okay, remember, don't worry about that. But what is that conversion? Maybe why this conversion is converted later. If it is really required, if it is really required, we will talk about that. Okay, so let me insert one more record. Let me insert one more record just for our doubt clarification sake. Okay, number int I'm trying to take phone number int of 10 I'm taking, sir. 10 I'm taking. Okay, now here number int of 10. Yes, 1 minute, there is something like Duplicate key error, correct. Duplicate key error, because key is already available. If you remember, duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay. Now acknowledged inserted ID is the 6. Now let me cross check. Yeah, phone number 1010 only. Have you observed 1010 only? 1010 only. Okay. Let me insert a big number. A big number. Maybe ID is the 7. Pinny. Okay. Here 9898989898. Like this I'm trying to take. Yeah. Maybe, yes, I can understand what may be the reason for that is. Don't worry, sir. Why this conversion is happening? Why? What is the problem with that is? Okay, now I can understand the reason, sir. Very very simple. It is the which number we provided, which number we provided. 9 9. This is the number we provided. To accommodate this number, 32 bits are not enough. Remember carefully, right? Okay, 32 bits are not enough. Okay, but forcefully we are asking to insert this one into 32 bits only. Then what will happen is, so automatic rounding is happening. Okay, automatic rounding is happening. Because of that, that new value is coming internally. Memory size clear, right? I respond. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. By using 32 bit, so this number you can't represent. This number you can't represent. That's why internally some conversion is happened. Don't worry. That is the reason for that. Yeah, good. Okay. So what will happen here? Sometimes I will tell a small thing. Just observe that. Okay. So just for your understanding sake, I'm trying to take this example. Don't worry, sir. Here I'm taking class test. Class test. Here byte b is equal to sir 130. I'm trying to take. Okay, byte b is equal to 130. B I'm taking, sir. If I can ask this one, compiler will give left and right. What is the reason for that is 130 is not byte value. Is not byte value. By default, it is the int. In Python, in Java, int is of 32 bits. Int is of 32 bits. Okay. So it is here 8 bits only space is available. 1 byte means 8 bits. So still I'm asking, then immediately compile time error by default you are going to get. Okay. Now observe that. Observe that carefully. Now here in the D drive, let me take one more command prompt. Let me go to D drive. Okay, Java C tester.java. Have you observed? Compile time error we are going to get. Hey, incompatible type. Yeah, from into value. How you can convert into byte? How you can convert into byte? Okay, like it is telling. What I want to take. Hey, can you please convert this bloody into value to byte only? Another aside. Typecasting. We can use the word. It is what a typecasting. Typecasting. Now, which value I provided? Can you please confirm? Which value I provided? 130 I provided. But now, so whenever it is adjusting into 8 bits, what happened is, observe that carefully. What is the output we are getting? Minus 126. Are you getting? Array I provided 130, but why it is coming minus 126? Because 32-bit value you are placing inside 8 bits only. Okay, sufficient space is not available. That's why your data, you may miss some data. The same thing is happened in this case. You are not required to worry much about that. Then immediately, sir, what is the solution for that? What is the solution for that? You people may ask. Yes, can you please suggest what is the solution for this? Respond. What is the solution for this? You people can suggest. The solution for this is use number long. Use long. Okay, use long automatically. Use long automatically. It is going to take care. Okay, clear, right? MongoDB, the database, Viraj. Okay, here. Yeah. So now I hope your doubts got clarified. Okay, here where you may have this doubt. Okay. Uh, why it become like okay, the reason for that cannot be accommodated. Accommodated. What is the spelling for accommodation? ACCO, accommodation. Can you please? Cannot be accommodated. Cannot be accommodated in 32 bits. 32 bits. In 32 bits. And so some loss of information. Yeah, that is the reason. Okay, if any person, if any person is having the doubt, okay, why this thing came. Now I hope everyone in the position to understand. I respond. Everyone in the position to understand this one, right? Okay, well. So now select all documents where phone number value is of number type. Where phone number value is of number type. Okay, like sir. Now here observe carefully. Observe carefully. Where phone number is of number type. Number type. Okay, like now have a look once, sir. Number means double considered, double considered, double considered. Next and after that number long considered, number int considered. Okay, like all these things got considered. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Yes, sir. All these things got considered here. Int type, double type, number long type, number int type. Okay, double type. All number types by default got considered. Okay, like next, sir. Question number 6. It is also a bit important. Querying by multiple data types. Okay, question query number 6. Querying by multiple data types. Okay, querying by multiple data types. Multiple data types. Multiple data types. So select all documents. Select all documents. Select all documents. All documents where select all documents where phone number value, phone number, where phone number value is of either string or double, either string or double, either string or double. This is about my requirement, right? So anyone, can you please tell db dot phone book dot db dot phone book dot find. Okay, fine. Next here, like phone number I'm taking here. Just dollar type is okay. Here we have to specify string type, string type or double type, string type or double type. Okay, like area I'm trying to take, sir. String type or double type I'm trying to take. Okay, now instead of this dot pretty. Okay, like now here instead of this one, even you can specify in this style also. Okay, string means two, sir. Double means one. Double means one, like either. Yeah, this style also acceptable. Let me cross check. Am I going to get this one or not? Yes. Here observe that name is the Sunny, phone number. Here say this one. It is the string type. It is the double type, and it is the string type. It is the double type. Have you observed? Number int, number long, we didn't get. Number int and number long, we didn't get. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Similarly, here this is also db.phonebook. Pretty. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Now observe, is it the same answer or not? Yes. Okay, all these are various facilities what we have related to type. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, about the type. Okay, that's all. So this is the concept what we have. In the next video we have to talk about remaining things. So next, numeric value, number for the numeric is not available. Okay, number for the numeric value is not available for that. Okay, yeah, yeah, right, sir. In the next video we will talk in detail about the remaining things. Static database, dynamic database terms are variables possible. No, Viraj, it is not a programming language first. That terminology you can't use here. Okay, next, do you know regular expressions, such type of beautiful things we can find in the next level. Okay, like just so better to, if you are talking about multiple operators, we are practicing queries only. That's why I highly recommended to cover as many operators as possible. Okay, remember. And then indexing, next aggregation framework, like multiple other things also there we will discuss. Okay, right. Thanks for everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation part, because just yeah. Okay, right, sir.